Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make cards responsive in Figma. To begin, always start by creating your card as a frame, not a group, as frames are essential for responsive features. Make sure all elements within your card, like text and images, are also nested inside frames or auto layout frames. This foundational structure is key. Also, define consistent spacing and padding values from the start to build a Next, mastering auto layout is crucial for responsive cards. Apply auto layout to your main card frame. This automatically adjusts spacing and alignment as content changes. You can set the direction, either horizontal or vertical, and define the exact space between items, perhaps 8 or 16 pixels. Don't forget to utilize padding settings to control the internal distance between your card's content and its edges, ensuring a clean look. Configuration is another key differentiator. Webpack's strength lies in its incredible flexibility, allowing for highly customized build pipelines through its extensive plugin and loader ecosystem. However, this power often comes with a steeper learning curve and more verbose configuration files. Vite, conversely, aims for simplicity. It provides sensible defaults and a more streamlined configuration experience, making it quicker to get started, especially for new React projects. Both offer powerful solutions, but with different approaches to setup. Finally, testing and best practices are vital. Always test your responsive card by manually resizing its parent frame to observe how elements adapt. Use different device frames or preview modes to check how the card looks on various screen sizes, from mobile to desktop. For best practices, organize your design with clear naming conventions and utilize component variants. This approach ensures efficient scaling and makes maintaining your responsive cards much simpler over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.